Stuart Carter here from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm going to show you a short video of this 508 station wagon. This particular one is a 2 litre 150 brake horsepower blue HDI GT line. Now the car has the 6-speed manual gearbox, has black full leather interior with electrically operated and heated seats, has the full panoramic roof and satellite navigation system. That's the 3D navigation system through TomTom. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. What I did neglect to tell you is that this is a 2018 on a 68 plate, pre-registered to us as Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, so we are currently the only keeper shown on the registration document. The car has only done 2 miles currently, has the remainder of the 3 years 60,000 miles warranty, and also the remainder of the 12 months Peugeot assistance. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester, if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.